G'day ladies and germs, Conor here from Usability Media, back with another video. Now this is just a quick video to showcase you a new case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and it is the Mous case. Now Mous is its own brand, but it looks like they've done a bit of a deal with Google at the moment to have their cases actually on the Google store. Well, at least here in Australia anyway. So I currently have the bay blue case for the Pixel 8 Pro, and I also have the Bellroy leather case for the Pixel 8 Pro. Quick video down below on that one if you do want to watch it. Good case. I also really love the bay blue case because I got the phone because of its color. The color of it is awesome, but I don't want to take my phone out bareback. That's how you get problems, by going bareback. But it also matches my Pixel Watch band, bay blue. So that's why I like the Google Pixel case. But it doesn't have a magnet in it. Apparently this is magnetic. So I'm going to try this in the car as well. I've got a mount in there from Quad Lock actually, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see if it works with the Quad Lock mount in the car. Anyway, enough bullshit, enough chit chat. Let's check out the case. Now it is pronounced Mous. It says on their website, we are Mous, Mous not Mous. So I'm just going to go with what they say because I never ever spell things or say things correctly when I choose it my way. Just want to point out, I guess it's important for me, we're getting greener and we don't mean the colour. We're offsetting carbon emissions from our shipping. We're constantly working towards being more sustainable, and as we continue on our journey, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. I like that. I mean, anything we can do to make the planet last a bit longer is a good thing. That's all it is. Nice cardboard box. Made for the Google Pixel. This product has been certified by Mous to meet Google's compatibility standards. Google is not responsible for the operations of this product or its compliance with any application, safety, or other requirements. Blah, 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 blah. Warning, magnetic field. This product is fitted with magnets. Pacemakers, ICD are advised not to position the product within 10 centimeters of their implant device. So if you want to prank, if you really hate someone and they've got a pacemaker, put this case, just throw it at their chest. That wouldn't be nice. Now, firstly, not a bad colour. Obviously it's not bay blue, but it's not a bad colour, but it is very similar to the Bellroy colour. I've got to be back in 1 second because the fucking battery's going flat on the camera. You wouldn't read about it. Okay, that was like 3 minutes for me. Obviously that was like 3 seconds for you. Back to the Mous case. So it's got the magnet here, cutouts here for the volume up and down power rocker, cutout there for the microphone, cutout there for USB Type-C and your speakers. And look, I like how it's got these little divots here. It really is light. It is lightweight. And you know, I like that. I like having it lightweight. Let's just whack it straight in. Now, I always put them in buttons into the buttonholes first because I don't want them to get cracked or pushed out of place. Wow, that is a snug fit. I just got to say, that is really, really snug. Compared to the Google one, compared to the Bellroy one, the Mous case is a super, super snug fit. And so there's like 0.5 mil clearance where the camera lens is, and I'm serious, it's like 0.5 mil. And there is probably 0.5 mil clearance between the display and the lip on the case. So not a lot of protection. This is legit, like going bareback. But it feels good. I like that. I like that there's not much inhibiting it. It is legit the thinnest case I've ever had. It's not enough protection. I swear, if there was a grain of sand there, the screen would be touching it right now. So it's not offering any protection to the display whatsoever. Absolutely none. If you drop it, it's broken. It's basically just going to stop your phone from getting scratched, but not the camera hump. That's going to be exposed to anything when you put it down on a flat surface. Where these other ones, you can see there's an actual lip on them. You can see there's a lip there. Same with the Google one. You can see there's a bit of a lip there, which is important for protecting your camera. So this is like 65 bucks Australian, and that's probably like 35 US maybe. It's too much and the case is too thin. Now that's not even talking about the buttons. It's actually a little bit awkward pressing these because they're recessed quite far in. Yep, I'm calling it. I'm calling it. Look, I try and be as honest as I can with these things. I'm calling this a shit case. I'm calling it a shit case because it doesn't offer enough protection. The buttons here are recessed. They're actually quite fiddly to press. I don't like it. I do not like it. It doesn't offer much protection around the camera lens. Look at that. It just doesn't. I'm sorry, Mous, but it doesn't. Now, Mous does have other cases on their website. This is not the only one. I would say that there's better ones on their website, but this one, I'm not down with it. In fact, I'm going to take it straight off. Let me try the car mount. Maybe that'll change my mind. Okay, freaks, I'm back. This is the quad lock car mount that you can use for obviously quad lock devices, but it also has the ring here, the MagSafe ring, so you can. I do use my work iPhone with this, and it holds it in place while I'm driving. It holds the mouse case in place as well, but look, one bump on the road, it's going to fall off. I don't like it. So, just for reference, right? For cases, I reckon the Bellroy is like an 8 out of 10. It's a pretty damn good case. It's made out of good quality leather. It offers good lip protection on the camera, good lip protection on the screen. The buttons are good. They're pretty tactile. They're not too stiff or anything like that. I'm going to say it's an 8 out of 10. It's probably not the most protective. That's why I'm dropping 2 points off it. This one, I'm going to give like a 7 out of 10. And 6 of those are for the way it looks. But, you know, it's not a bad case either. It offers good lip protection. It's got a good bit of rubber on it. I like it. Got a good feel to it. This one has a great feel to it. That's it. No protection on the camera. No protection on the screen. The buttons are shit. Like, they're just cutouts for the button and you actually have to push your finger in quite far. I don't like that at all. And I didn't know what to whinge about first, the lack of lip protection or the buttons, but I whinged about the lip protection. And then the MagSafe, it's okay, it holds it there, but like, you know, you go over a bump. I hardly shook that. So the case, I'm going to give this one a 2 out of 10. 2 out of 10. Sorry, Mous, your case is a dud. Absolutely. Better luck next time. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video. Check you.